Bruh, let me tell you another thing, man. You know what life is about? Life is about stepping outside of your comfort zone. Doing something that you wouldn't do, but you're trying it out just to see how it is. Bro, step outside of your comfort zone. Life is not about being comfortable. Life is about being uncomfortable and learning and growing from that experience. That's what life is about. You can't want to stay in your comfortable bubble for the rest of your life, but you're never gonna grow. You're never gonna expand. You're never gonna get where you wanna get because you're too scared to take a risk. You're too scared to stay. You're stuck in that circle, in that small little bubble that you made yourself in. So now you're comfortable to the point where you don't want to get out and you don't want to try something and you don't want to do this and you don't want to do that. And people always say, nah, I don't want to do this, I don't like this, I don't like that, I don't like this. But you didn't even try this shit. Bro, what I've learned also for me, what I've been doing is, even if I didn't like that thing, let me try it now while I'm bigger, while I'm older. Let me try it out now. See, maybe if I like it, I like it. Bro, it's like that, bro. Step outside of your comfort zone, do stuff that you wouldn't normally do, but try it out. See how it is. Don't say I can't, don't say I won't, don't say I would never. I would never is not the real word. I would never. Anything can happen in life. Don't say I would never. But bro, that's what I'm trying to say. Step outside of your comfort zone. That's where real growth happens.